Yes, so in this video we will be solving basic Python questions. The entire code is being run on Jupyter Notebook and this is a part 2 of solving the questions. The first question is write a program to print write a program to print numbers from 1 to 0. To print the numbers from 1 to 0, we will be using loops. So let me use lowercase. For I in range 1, 11, print I. Let me run the program. You could see the numbers from 1 to 10 is being print. So here if I give as 10, it will print only till 9. So for I in range 1, 11, because it adds the step here, we could see the numbers have been print starting from 1 to 10. Let's move on to next question. The next question is write a program to print all the even numbers from 1 to 10. So to print all the even numbers from 1 to 20, we will be using same loops concept. For I in range 1, 21, using if condition, if I divided by 2 is equal to 0, we print numbers are even and we can run the program. So the even numbers from 1 to 20 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So we use the same concept to print all the odd numbers from 1 to 20. So we just use here is not equal to 0. With the help of that, we can easily print the odd numbers from 1 to 20. So the program starts by printing same for I in range 1, 21. If I divided by 2 is not equal to 0, we can print it as odd numbers are odd, comma I, the iteration part. These are all the odd numbers starting from 1 to 20. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. All are the odd numbers from 1 to 20. The next question is write a program to print the multiplication table of a given number. So the program starts by taking input from a user. We'll create a variable called number is equals to, we'll take input in an integer form, int is equals to input, enter a number, let me give it in a string, double quotes, and then for I in range 1, 11, we can print first the number which we want to multiply, comma, in a string I would give it as multiplication, let me give small x. Iteration, comma, number into I. Let me run the program. Okay, so here I have given double inverted commas. Okay, let me run the program again. It is asking for a number. I want to multiply 7 table. So this is what the answer is. So here is equals to is missing. So let me add here is equals to. After comma in double quotes, let me give is equals to, and then here I'll give comma. We'll run the program again. 8. Yes, so here we can see the multiplication table of 8. So let's see the multiplication table of 19. Okay, let me give it as 19, enter, and here we can say the result. The next question is write a program to print the following pattern. Yes, so the fifth question is write a program to print the following pattern. We will be printing the start pattern. So the number starts from 1 and it ends till 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to solve this program, we use the same for loop concept. For I in range starting from 1, comma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So instead of 5, we give it as 6 because of the step we have. And then we print the star format. Star multiplied by the iteration small I. Let me provide a space in between. Let me run the program. With the help of this, it becomes easy to print the pattern. Yes, so the last question is write a program to print the following pattern. So this is in the starting from 1 to 5. This prints backwards starting from 5 to 1. We use the same concept for loop to solve this problem. For I in range 5, comma 1, but we use a step, and then comma -1. -1 used to print the star backwards. And then we print a string as star multiplied by the iteration I. Let me run the program. Yes, so with the help of this program, it becomes easier to print the star pattern backwards.